Hello, my Westview Bulldogs. Today we're going to read The Water Cycle. Many of us have already been reading books about the water cycle and jotting down things we knew. So after I'm done reading, in the comment section, I want you to comment what you learned that maybe was new, that you didn't know before, or something you already knew. Okay, here it goes. Water covers the earth. When seen from space, the earth is swirls of blue oceans and white clouds. Water covers 70% of the earth. Clouds form when water rises into air as vapor. Water falls as rain or snow. Water moves and changes as part of the water cycle. Fun fact, people call the earth water planet. Did you know people call the earth the water planet? I didn't know that. That's something new for me. The water cycle. This is important because we're going to do an assignment with this, so pay close attention. Water changes as it moves through the water cycle. Water evaporates as it changes from a liquid into a gas. Water vapor condenses to form clouds. Precipitation falls from the cloud as rain or snow. The sun's heat turns liquid water back into vapor. The water cycle begins again. Here's the evaporation, and that's the water vapor going into the sky. It evaporates from the ocean or a lake or a pond. It goes into the sky. The condensation is what turns into clouds. And then when it gets full, the precipitation falls down like rain or snow, and then it starts all over again. Evaporation. Water evaporates when it changes from liquid to gas. The sun heat makes water evaporate. People can't see water vapor. Water vapor can only be seen when it is mixed with water drops. We can see vapors as steam when water is boiling. I know many of you probably seen it when your mom's cooking those water vapors. Well, it's steam. You can't see water vapor unless it's mixed with water droplets. So that's steam. Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Humidity changes with the temperature. Warm air holds more water vapor than cold air. People feel warmer on humid days because sweat does not evaporate quickly. Oh, look at those kids. I bet you it's very humid outside. Those kids look like they've been sweating. Fun fact, your hair is longer on humid days. Water vapors make your hair heavier. I didn't know that. That's a cool fun fact. My hair is longer on humid days. Who would have known? Condensation. Condensation takes place when water changes from gas into liquid. Vapors turn into drops as air cools. We can see condensation as dewdrops on leaves. Condensation drops also slide down a glass of ice water. Or when we're in our car and our moms defrost the windows on a cold days, we see that water on the car. That too. Fun fact, water drops are not shaped like tears. Water drops are balls that get wider as they fall. So they're actually little balls, not teardrops. We always make rain like teardrops, don't we? Clouds. Clouds form when water vapors condenses. Water vapor condenses onto specks of dust. These drops stick together to make clouds. I didn't know cloud was made with condensation, meaning water, and dust. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Clouds grow heavier as the water with the water as condensation takes place. Dark clouds are filled with water. Rain is on the way. Look at that. These clouds are whiter. These clouds are darker, so I bet you rain is on the way on that page. Precipitation. Water falls from the clouds as precipitation. Rain falls when the clouds fill with water. Frozen water falls as snow, sleet, or hail. Precipitation rechanges water. Oh, not rechanges, haha, recharges. Recharges water on the earth. Rain seeps into the soil to store water in the ground. It flows over land. It fills rivers, lakes, and oceans. Oh. So precipitation is the raindrops. I didn't learn something new. Oh, look at that beautiful, beautiful sky there. An endless cycle. Water always flows and changes. Water from oceans, lakes, and rivers evaporate under the sun. Drops of water vapor stick together to make clouds. Water returns to the earth as rain and snow. The water cycle never ends. Fun fact. Scientists have names for 26 different types of clouds. I didn't know that. There's 26 different types of clouds. I only know about 3. Whoa, baby, I wonder what they are. Amazing but true. The water people drink today is the same water dinosaurs drank millions of years ago. The Earth's water, is about 3 billion years old. The water cycle keeps water on the planet. In the years to come, people, plants, and animals will also use the same water. Did you know we were using the same water as dinosaurs? That's amazing! I didn't know that. I learned something new again. All right, on the next slide, we're going to remember some things we talked about in here. In our comment section, you're going to comment what you learned new about the water cycle. On the next slide, you're going to draw a picture of the water cycle. Remember, the water cycle was this page. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation. We're going to draw it on the next page. All right, let's go.